In previous episode, we follow hunting activity located in Ulubai under Bukit Ensanga. In this episode, we will follow Martin and his crews towards Bukit Meligai next to Bukit Ensanga. They departed around 5:30 in the morning. The situation still dark. However, they have to reach peak of Bukit Meligai before 7 a.m. Now already 6:40 a.m. The view from the peak of Bukit Meligai feel peace and restful. Martin have to brief his partner to ensure their waiting post location. Martin has to leave his partner and he moved to another post. He make a sign along his path to alert his partner. He enter into the forest. He know the wild boars will return soon to the foothills of Bukit Meligai. Martin kept trekking to wild boar's trace and follow it into the deep jungle. The scenery getting bright. However, the temperature still around 21 until 22 degrees Celsius. Finally, he found the new trace of wild boars. He confident the wild boars still return from the feed area nearby wild palm plantation. He told already hunt more than 10 wild boars at Bukit Meligai. Martin set up his waiting post next to the wild boar path. The wild boar returns from the opposite way at the peak of Bukit Meligai. After half an hour, he kept going, trace another one. After his shoot, hit couple of wild boars. The next one fall not too far at the valley.